Welcome to our compact laundry showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular compact laundry solutions, the BLACK+DECKER 1.5 CU Sport Compact Dryer and the ROVSUN 17.6 LBS Full Automatic Washer and Dryer Combo. If you live in a small space like an apartment or dorm, you know how important it is to have efficient laundry appliances. In this video, we'll look at their features, performance, and help you choose the right one for your laundry needs. Let's get started. Both the BLACK+DECKER dryer and the ROVSUN combo dryer have a drying capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, which translates to an optimal dry load of 5.5 pounds. However, while the BLACK+DECKER is a dedicated dryer, the ROVSUN set includes a washing machine that can handle larger loads, making it essential to consider how often you'll need to dry multiple loads after washing. This could lead to longer drying times with the ROVSUN if you wash a full load. When it comes to features, the BLACK+DECKER dryer boasts advanced options like sensor dry and anti-wrinkle programs, ensuring your clothes come out perfectly dried without overdrying. On the other hand, the ROVSUN set features forward and reverse tumble actions, which help reduce wrinkles and keep your clothes soft. Each has its own unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. In terms of overall value, the BLACK+DECKER dryer is priced at $293, making it a more affordable option if you only need a dryer. However, the ROVSUN set, priced at $349, offers both washing and drying capabilities, which could be a better investment for those needing a complete laundry solution. It's essential to weigh the cost against your specific needs and space constraints. Thank you for watching our compact laundry showdown. We hope this comparison helped you understand the key differences between the BLACK+DECKER dryer and the ROVSUN washer-dryer combo. Remember to consider your laundry needs and space when making your decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more